this Samsung Active to watch.
Come dead by water damage. Let's tear down the watch. I see corrosion on both sides of PCB. Heavy damage on the PCB as usual on the power button.
I also see two resistors rotting by iodine seawater.
The two resistors must be linked to the VCC main. I will check for their value on the diagram. So let's charge the battery directly by power supply. 2 volts. Poor voltage, the battery cannot be charged.
So I have to skip the OVP-OCP low protection circuit and directly connect the voltage to the 2 nickel terminals of the battery to boost it.
Cleaning corrosion on the power button tracks.
Then after checking the value of the 2 components, one of them is a fuse and the second is a 10 ohm resistor, so I can apply a bridge quietly.
And suddenly a customer called me to repair an electronic breast pump for a baby. Without hesitation, I fixed it. Okay, I'm going back to the watch. And here is the moment of truth. And boom, the watch comes back to life. Thanks for watching.